Welcome to Richland Sales. Today we're taking a look at a John Deere X485. This garden tractor features a liquid-cooled Kawasaki engine. It has 25 horsepower. It features auxiliary hydraulics, hydraulic deck lift, power steering. It's got hydrostatic foot pedals, tilt steering wheel, all kinds of additional features to help you around your neck of the woods. This garden tractor has 866 hours showing on the meter. It's got a 54-inch deck. The deck is shaft driven. The transmission is shaft driven as well. We'll go ahead and start this machine up so you can hear what it sounds like and see it in action, and then we'll do a quick walk around the machine. Let's go ahead and take a walk around the machine. Like I mentioned, it's got a 54-inch deck. The deck's in really good shape. It's got large tires on the front and back. I think there are 18s on the front and 26s on the back. To go over some of the controls, this mower features differential lock, so if one of your rear tires starts sliding, you can press down on that button with your foot and both tires will start spinning. This is a fuel-injected machine, so you won't have any choke or anything like that. There's no carburetor. So here's your throttle. Here's your headlights and tail lights. We are getting a few bulbs replaced, but those will be in working order. Take a look at the instrument cluster. Everything works as it should. All the indicator lights are right here. We've got 866.4 hours showing on the meter. Gas gauge works. The temperature gauge looks good. Down here is your deck level adjustment. So whenever the deck is all the way up, you would set it at the height you want and then lower the deck back down. It features a suspension seat on it that's adjustable, so you can move this seat backward and forward. Go around to the other side here. Here's your ignition switch. This mower features cruise control. Here's your PTO switch, and to back up whenever you're mowing, you need to pull that switch out just a little bit further. It walks you through the directions here on how to do that. Here's your parking brake set. Down here's your brake, your forward pedal, and your reverse pedal. Over here you've got a cup holder with a 12-volt power point and a little cubby to put all your stuff. Take a look back here. We've got a beefy transaxle system that's really well built. You've got a hydraulic cylinder too. If you wanted to add a 3-point hitch to this, that's something that could be done. On around here, you've got your auxiliary hydraulics. We do have a quick hitch and blade that fit this machine. We'll go ahead and hook that up to it so that you can see it in action here in just a little bit. Let's take a look under the hood. Features a 25 horsepower liquid-cooled Kawasaki. Everything's really clean on it. Runs really nice. Got your radiator back here. Here's your coolant reservoir, air filter. Take a look at the other side. Here's your oil filter,
Spark plugs are real easy to get to, valves are real easy to get to. And here's your dipstick. I forgot to mention that on this side. Let's go ahead and get the deck off of this and hook up the blade so you can see the blade in action on it. Let's take a look at what we got going on here. This is a simple, they call it a quick hitch for a reason. It takes all of 2 minutes to attach this blade onto your machine. It's got 2 separate hydraulic cylinders, this one for lift and lower, and this one for side to side. Down here you've got little boots that are adjustable. There's a pin inside here. Take that pin out, you can move this foot so that you can control how far down your blade goes relative to the ground. Auxiliary hydraulics are real easy to get to. There's a little holder here to keep your hydraulic lines in place. And all the hydraulic hoses come with caps, but that's really easy to get to and put everything on. So just going through some of the controls, you've got your hydraulic levers here. The way it's hooked up now, the bottom one controls the up and down, so you'll be able to see as I move it. And then your top lever controls the side to side. So if I push it forward, it's going to go to the left. If I bring it back, it's going to go back to the right. So it's really handy, especially, and it was moving a little bit slower because we've got the throttle all the way down, but whenever you've got the throttle up, that'll be moving quite a bit faster. So something like that would be really handy, whether you're pushing snow or have some, I don't know, gravel, dirt, something like that to move. Something like this makes a really nice addition for your X400 series tractor. Now this blade should also fit the X500 series, well, specifically the X575, X585, and X595. It will also fit some of the X700 models. We'll have the serial number posted on the quick hitch. So take a look at your machine's parts manual before you buy this to make sure that it fits. While we're here, we'll go ahead and take a look at the deck now that we've got it off. It's a little bit dirty right now, but this thing cleans up really good. Doesn't have much as far as rust or anything like that goes, so it's in pretty good shape. Again, this deck took maybe 5 minutes to take off. They're really easy to take off and put back on. You can see the gearbox here and the PTO shaft. This is not your Lowe's model type belt driven deck. This is shaft driven with the PTO shaft here and everything like that. And then here's your front arm that hooks into here and then holds it to the front of the mower. Whenever the wheels are down, this deck is really easy to move too. So it's pretty heavy, but easy to move whenever those wheels are down. So that's the X485 and the 54-inch blade with quick attach. Give us a call if you're interested in either of these items. We'd be happy to make a package deal on them. You can reach us at 660-537-3588, or you can email us at info@richlandsales.com. Thanks for watching.